The Queen Elizabeth Towers offers the perfect blend of location and lifestyle. And this rarely offered model features almost 1,400 square feet of spacious living, along with exquisite 21st floor views from the Ottawa River all the way to the Gatineau Hills, and it's ready for you to make it your own. 2 large bedrooms, each with its own dedicated ensuite, means more privacy for you, family, or guests. The wall of windows allows bright natural light to pour into the unit, and the open concept living and dining layout gives the home an easy flow and spacious feel. In-unit laundry and an additional powder bathroom adds to the convenience this unit provides, but that's not all. Enjoy the many amenities such as heated underground parking, an indoor pool, a billiards room, a party room, guest suites, a gym, and a sauna, all included in this centrally located building. Steps to LRT, Bank Street, and all that downtown has to offer. Don't miss this opportunity. Call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty for more details today.